मैं हूं सायन गुप्ता। मैं 12 साल का हूं और आई एम द फाउंडर एट 10xCoderKids।
नमस्ते शार्क्स, मेरा नाम सयास्मी गुप्ता है और मैं 10 साल की हूँ। मैं 10xCoderKids की को फाउंडर हूँ।
शार्क्स, जैसे ही आपको पता होगा, द फ्यूचर इज गोइंग टू बी ड्रिवन बाय न्यू एज टेक्नोलॉजीज सच एज AI, ML, IoT, AR, VR, blockchain, NFT, metaverse and many others. इसलिए हम मानते हैं कि कोडिंग ऑलरेडी इज and in future is going to be an essential skill for everyone to learn, and we anticipate a huge market opportunity to tap. इसे ध्यान में रखते हुए साइंस में मैंने स्टार्ट करा 10xCoderKids under the mentorship of a father, Mr. Sandeep Gupta, computer engineer from Delhi College of Engineering. Of course, we are not the first ones to enter this market, and the market is already cluttered with big and small players trying to grab a bite of this huge market opportunity. But we see a gap in this market that we want to fill with a strategically different style.
आपको तो पता ही होगा शार्क्स, majorly kids are taught block coding in their foundational years, and that too is highly overhyped and overpriced by companies. Literally, they promise them the moon with little to no real coding. Thus, we believe that kids start expecting too much from too little effort. This can be counterproductive in a way that kids get so much used to easy style of coding that when it is time to do real text coding, they are more likely to give up than continue, as they discover real coding to be much more intricate than they had expected. यही प्रॉब्लम हम सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं।
Sharks are business endeavors to solve the said problem by taking a strategically different stance and offering text coding classes to children early on, right from the start of their coding journey. That way, they don't really need to deal with consequences of transitioning from block coding to text coding and can start mastering coding skills at their own pace right from the very beginning of their coding journey. We believe this way they are more likely to continue their coding journey and more likely to grow into 10x coders, which is precisely what we aspire to achieve. We continuously strive to acquire new skills every day as we aspire to become 10x coders ourselves first and likewise help others to accomplish the coveted feat. Our efforts in this direction were recently featured on cover page of Hindustan Times Student Edition. Sharks, with a mission to make India the world capital of 10x coders, we are here to invite you to hop on the bandwagon.